Psalms 114:1. When Israel went out of Egypt, the house of Jacob from a people of strange. Psalms 114:2. Judah was his sanctuary, and Israel his dominio. Psalms 114:3. The sea saw it and fled. Jordan was driven back. Psalms 114:4. The mountains skipped like rams, and the little hills like lambs. Psalms 114:5. What ailed thee, O thou sea, that thou art loosed, thou Jordan, that thou wast driven back? Psalms 114:6. Ye mountains, that ye skipped like rams, and ye little hills like lambs? Psalms 114:7. Tremble, thou earth, at the presence of the Lord, at the presence of the God of Jacob. Psalms 114:8. Which turned the rock into a standing water, the flint into a fountain of waters.